Hi, this is just going to be a quick demo for a plugin that I've developed called ChoReverse. This plugin is an extension of the Roll and Dimension D chorus. Uh, it's got the basic functionalities of a chorus, which I'll just be displaying shortly. Here's the file that we will be using to test it. It's just a basic drum loop. So just go through the basic features of a chorus, just to just demo it quickly. Now I'm going to go through the effects. The first, which I would like to explain, is the manual and the auto mode. The auto mode basically couples the frequency of the oscillator powering the chorus with the envelope detector. The latch filter here basically couples the filter with either the oscillator or the envelope detector, or in normal mode it lets you manually choose the cutoff. Uh, Let me just play those two effects for you. The inter basically controls the kind of interpolation that you're doing for the frequency that is being generated. You can have a normal or a logarithmic frequency. Now going to the main effect of this plugin, which is the ChoRev. Here's the block diagram of the effect, so I can quickly explain what it does. It basically does two main things. Firstly, it controls the length of the delay line based on the envelope detected. The control here, called the trigger threshold, controls when the delay line changes. So when the signal is below the trigger threshold, it's gonna change the delay line. Otherwise, it's just gonna be a normal chorus. So this was intended with the purpose that we don't lose the attack, but then the tail actually gets the effect. The delay amount tells you how much the delay that changes according to the envelope below the threshold. And the X feedback basically allows you to take the feedback of the output rather than of the delay line, so that it gives you a pretty cool effect with the tone. And the reverse basically lets you read the delay line in reverse, so it kind of gives you the reversing effect. So let me just play all these different settings for you. As you can see, as I reduce the trigger threshold, the effect is not happening since everything is below the threshold, and it's just going to be the pure effect. As I increase the trigger threshold, the effect's going to start popping in, and the delay line controls how we're changing the delay buffer, how we're changing the length of the delay buffer. Now I'm going to introduce some feedback. Now I'm going to switch on the reverse mode, which will basically reverse the direction of reading the delay buffer by small amounts, so it gives you a cool reversing effect. Let's hear that. Almost sounds like water droplets, which is pretty cool. And that's my demo. Thanks a lot for watching.